Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Nyasa VoiceBox, the place where Malawi finds its voice on issues to do with politics, good governance, and the rule of law. Today we have an audio from Mr. Nir Gess, who is Malawi's Honorary Consul in the State of Israel, in which he is warning Malawians who went to Israel under the agricultural labor scheme to desist from applying for asylum in the country, saying that they have no reason to do so and that any Malawian found to be applying for asylum shall be returned to Malawi to create room for Malawians who are genuinely seeking opportunities in employment in the agricultural scheme in Israel. Let us stick together as we listen to the voice of Mr. Nir Gess, and as always, remember to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below after the video, just so we know your opinions, as well as to have an input on the issue as well as other issues of governance, rule of law, and politics in Malawi. So let's stick together.
Recording. This message is for the Malawi workers that came to Israel in the last 2 months. I just got a message from the immigration, from the head of the immigration in Israel, that about 7 to 10 Malawian apply for asylum. First of all, this is a very, very disappointing message I'm getting for 2 reasons. First reason, no one of you need asylum in Israel, and Israel authorities and the court authorities are not stupid, and they know very well that no one of you need asylum. Secondly, anyone who will apply for an asylum will be going according to the process of law, and in the end of the day, I can assure you that each one of them will be resent back to Malawi in order to keep the place for someone that really came here to work honestly, legally, and according to the visa it was according to him. I keep repeating to you, don't play game, because you are closing the door to thousands of Malawians that they are sitting in Malawi and waiting for their opportunity to change their economic situation and help the family. So if you don't care about that, we care about that, and we will make sure that everyone will respect the contract is signed with the employer, and we will make sure that the employee will respect the contract is signed with the employee. So I am warning every one of you that will seek asylum there is no reason, only to move from one place to the other. He's making a wrong move, because he's doing the wrong move because the Israeli authorities are not stupid. They know exactly what they do, and I will never help any one of you if he move from one side to the other, and this is without even thinking about your insurance, life insurance, health insurance, and all the benefit that you're getting from working legally in Israel. So please take that in consideration. Thank you very much. This is Mr. Gess, the Honorary Consul of Malawi in Israel. Thank you very much.
That was the voice of Mr. Nir Gess, Malawi's Honorary Consul in Israel, warning Malawian citizens who went there under the agricultural labor scheme to avoid applying for asylum in Israel, saying they have no reason to do so. If you have any opinions or any views on the issue, please let us know in the comment section below. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you do not miss any of our future updates. Once again, welcome and thank you for tuning into Nyasa VoiceBox, and we wish you a pleasant day. Thank you.